Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Naging usap-usapan si Liza Soberano matapos itong maugnay sa hiwalayan ni Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla. Maaalalang isa si Liza sa mga aktres na in-unfollow umano ni Catherine kasabay ng pag-unfollow nito sa ex na si Daniel. Naging mainit ngayon ang reaksyon ng mga tagahanga ni Liza dahil sa mga negatibong pahayag at pangbabash na tinatanggap ng kanilang idolo matapos ang kaganapang ito. May ilang fans ang nagsasabi na hindi interesado si Liza kay Daniel at nananawagan na itigil na ang pag-uugnay sa kanilang dalawa. Narito ang ilan sa mga comment ng netizen. To all those KBNKN fans who are trying to associate Liza with K-breakup just because K unfollowed her. Ito lang masasabi ko, hindi papatulan ni Liza si DJ. Besides, she has Ken who's a walking green flag and way more handsome than Daniel. Liza Soberano has always been the top crush of many, but she never took advantage of it. Now, after Catherine Bernardo unfollowed her in the midst of a breakup, people are dragging Liza into this petty controversy. Liza's classy. Just leave her alone. Catherine Bernardo has always been a shameless hypocrite who sends for her cohorts and fans like attack dogs to hate on women like Jillian Villavicencio, Andrea Brillantes, Liza Soberano, Julia Barreto, who her ex Daniel Padilla may or may not have made a pass on. Doesn't matter if it's based on unsubstantiated rumors just to bolster her image and career. Kath is the drama, and allegedly, she was the third party. A very insecure girl for a very good reason. Kung nagustuhan mo ang content na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang share, like, at mag-comment ng inyong opinion. And favor naman po, please don't skip the ads.